All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor, bringing you another property tour. So this property right here in front of me, this is actually a pre-listing. Property's not on the market yet, but by the time you get this video, this property may be on the market. However, this is the only channel that's going to bring you new properties and up-to-date, and also pre-listings and pocket listings. That's right. What is a pre-listing? Basically what a pre-listing is, this home is not on the market, but eventually it will be on the market. Like I said, this is the only channel that will give you the opportunity to put in a bid before anybody else. A couple things that I want to announce. This was just brought to my attention from a fellow agent, so I wanted to rush on out here to do a tour. However, I do not have the proper gear and equipment. I just have my camera and I don't have the mics, but let me know how the audio sounds. So right there is actually the main road. Okay, we are in Southern Highlands. Southern Highlands is located on the south side of the valley and on the west side of the 15. Very nice neighborhood community, master plan community. Okay, we are just located 15 minutes to McCarran International. So let's dive in, let's take a look at this. So it looks like we do have the original air conditioning units here. On the outside we have some stucco hairline fracture, that's normal. Right here we have the cable, so this tells me that they had some sort of direct TV, or they did not have the cable outlets installed during this time period. Now I don't have the full details of this property. I know it is 2,800 square feet. The starting price on here, or actually the asking price on here, is $499,000. So it looks like we have some rain gutters. You got some eaves that could be sanded down. But the good news is that for the price in Southern Highlands, you can't beat this. 2,800 square feet for $499. Good news is that with us, you do not have to compete. All right, definitely like the door here. Let's go inside. Now keep in mind, okay, there is no electricity right now. So it feels like we have some laminate flooring. As we walk in, we have a 8-foot ceiling. You have the faux blinds. You have the original windows here. I believe this property was built in the early 2000s, just the way it was designed. Pretty big open space, that's for sure. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are about the audio on here. As you can see, it tells me that this laminate floor here was not floated. It wasn't insulated. So that's why you kind of hear that crackle. You got the Smurf tube. Gas fireplace. It's missing a trim right there, but looks like the walls are painted. What's great about this home is that you can literally come in and redo this thing. So it looks like we have the original cabinets that have been painted. This is very large though. Let's walk into this pantry. Not bad. All right, let's see, we have the, I know it's a little bit dark, could be a little bit grainy, I do apologize. So it looks like your laundry room is on the first floor. Now, I will have a link in the description below. 2-car garage. It is actually a true 2-car garage here, and it looks like you have a soft water system. go out to the back. At least the backyard's done. That's cool. I like the fact that you do have your neighbor in the back is actually a side of a house, and over here it looks like a cul-de-sac. So at least you're not going to feel so claustrophobic, right? The covered patio was a aftermarket. This lot size seems to be about 5,000 square feet. Alright, let's go inside here. What do we have here? We've got a thermostat here. Storage underneath the staircase. Let's make our way upstairs here. If you guys haven't had a chance to tune into the LV Home Excerpts radio show every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where we talk about real estate and financing. So it looks like we have a loft here. Pretty decent sized loft. 8 feet on the ceilings. Ceiling fan, orange peel texture. Here's the primary. If you look at the drywall here, it looks like there's been some drywall patchwork. I don't know if you guys can see that sheen right there. Very large primary for sure. Also, if you guys are locals out here and you guys have a property that you guys want to sell, let me know. Send me an email. Cabinets are pretty decent shape based on the time period. Toilets. Now what's great about these pre-listings, you have every opportunity to look at this thing first. And the good news is you don't have to sit here and bid against everybody. That's the plus. Fiberglass tub shower combo. You do have the laminate flooring here. Let's make our way back down here. So how many bedrooms we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, with the loft. Now these are large bedrooms here. Ceiling fan. Market has shifted a lot. What is strange is I feel like buyers are starting to slow down. However, pricing has still gone up. The bidding wars out here is still crazy. You're probably wondering why is that? What I'm seeing is that we get these buyers, they submit offers, they're getting beat out, but there's really not a whole ton of buyers are being active. And the reason why is because it is like so hard to even get a property now. It's like you're working double hard to even get an offer accepted. At this point, it's like all who you know and what you know. And if you guys don't have a realtor, we definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. Now overall, this property has a lot of outdated things to the home. All the flooring, would have to do the flooring. Definitely have to do the paint. Kitchen. So you could probably literally get away with probably $40 a square foot. So it's 3,000 square feet, right? Full rehab with a company. You probably get away with 80 G's, I'm thinking. But I'm talking about tricking this thing out, which you technically could. Now guys, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit that notification button too as well. Also let me know about the audio. Do you guys like the audio, or should I actually go back to our gimbal and with the mic? Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. I'm Chakits. Be blessed.